Metawase da Washa misu amadepa Achimini mabushengi Metawase da Wahebe different mifibamu Ama boni biantumia Metawase da Onyamiachime Wachimia mama teme ho Wahuma tichirime Mahuye ya premo chuchachime Nyamia mamengu Wama meni mengu wasi Oh mikira Ejani efiri Ofidi sumfono fidemo Onyamiachimio Wachime Nyamia mamengu Wama meni mengu wasi Waje misu amadepa Achimini mebushehi Metawase da Waheme different mifibemu Ama boni biatumia Metawase da Waje misu amadepa Achimini mebushehi Metawase da Waheme different mifibemu Ama boni biatumia Metawase da myself, I'm a makuma to me, yeah. Oh, yeah, me call my for Wakama, me, I'm a makuma to me, yeah. So I'm a depa, Achimini, me bushehi, Metawase da. Waheme different me fibamu, I'm a boni biatumia, Metawase da. Misu amadepa Achimini mabushehi Metawase da Waheme different mifibemu Ama boni biantumia Metawase
Ago Bioponono Dubai misi bioponono
Oh Hira kura na debi amisi madwiri pisa me to pono ama me ho ana ware batiti mi Inda su biom Papa ya gane ne nkrofo Adai
Enti omo benkura na de biara se osida so na ni ntenwa agemonti so ni nayi
sa na menim se ma ato empumanu se na be ya enenso wonhu se merenoa omo ni bio
ende omo no atreko
Queen's rice pora wa mantem na so osene adikanfo
chere na chirakwan
Queen's rice ye omo nhihyeemu a obroni fra ne fa ba fai ubenya bi atowo Freeport Enterprise na ya Enterprise Abutra Enterprise eni ba bi a woto amu nyina na se wo pane dudu atu a ubenya wo Bika Enterprise
ubetimi afre 054 39 76 624 anase 0244594307
Queen's rice ana
Ola wa mantem na so asene adikanfo
Yama fwe soja neba no mucheno
Minianum Ghana for Mema, fellow Ghanaian men. Winning Senya Bemani Bemo, Bemani no Bossi, no Quatrebesie. Beman no Bojuma, Yamano more piafo. That's how we are Bema, now to me Yanya Miki Kanya, and you know we hear bright soldier capsule and the bright galley capsules. Ne to me am one Bojuma Seni Kanika. I am Po, bright soldier capsules and the bright galley capsules. I drew Tatashia, Greenfield Scientific About Clinic. I should show Badi Nubana and in Nuhaimu, Ayua. Juma Senkonya, Bright Soldier Castle, Ayema Mema, want to me Kumabua, and Abema Coco, and Assisi Yadiabe Jauso. So why am I one Pemua? We're doing Bright Soldier Castle, Ebe Buau Ama Wapawasa. Afe wo ye obi a wo nante kakra no abre. Wo ye dwumaden ede obre bebrebe gya wo so a. Wodro any bright garlic capsules. Bright garlic capsules improve blood circulation. Afe e boost your immune system. Wo ye dwuma won tebre kra. Eye do tatahwe a eye mama ne mema nyina. Ebusua bi ehia bright garlic plus any bright soldier capsules. Anameboa.
Sa pepe.
Bright soldier capsules any bright garlic capsules. Ebi o drugstore, pharmacy, any herbal shop PM. At to Forfeit Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. I was 0243-983-906. Bright soldier capsules any bright garlic capsules.
Eye do tatahwe.
Kaise FDA ahwehwe surgery en kratwo mu. Agye tum say ye.
Efon Cancer Roofing Systems.
Ni osisi odabon san a ewo Main Station ene Accra Station no say odamasio odamase.
Na asida ya sene sen.
Samo gini di ede contract signing sa amani sisi edan ama ene odan fefefe.
Enie na de odi ne yebode a menkai obia se Efon Cancer Roofing Systems odi canton colored roofing sheet wodan no say mpode wa tetebo a enkane na ode gie no so. Enti sa wo ye estate developer efiera ana obia odi nchen di dwuma no ma ho nye ha ne ko odan opposite Kia station a ewo Central Market na chiri na kotop Aluzinc galvanized any rubber roofing sheet ahuro bia osanso free estimate and a 20 years warranty wo bra wato nchen nyina fi akachi ana se Ntiamo hotel nchen ho na kotop blocks cement paint ni adanse hu niam nkai nyina so bi wo Efon Cancer Roofing sheet pre 0245979311 me say 0245979311 Efon Cancer Roofing System. How you chance in Papa Fee?
Hello, Ohima. Eti saying.
Ayo.
Na edahin.
Me kwatade.
Ede bensa.
Krachi. Obesuja na so behwenkwem.
So, na se jane de wo so eden ankwane de wo hwem kakra.
Anyway, me kope vitamin bi de adwodwo makoma.
What a coincidence. Nso no na me koto, eno na me no.
Hey bra, we die wo boa.
Oh, ahonfe mintimi ntwa wontro.
Se wara.
Vitamilk no, emu de he pa na we ni je ho.
Me pe Vitamilk banana any choco because I'm black and proud.
Hey, interesting. Me dey me a regular guy with lots of energy. So wow.
When you kapao.
So wow. I can see we have something in common. Ohima, yanko try a Vitamilk connection. Would you bo me kana metia? Anye bia se kwan down.
Kwan be.
Na muni mbribi. Vitamilk di foforo bia be kambusua ne ho aye friend of Vitamilk strawberry. Vitamilk energy aduane abri biara. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Akrobatunye, sabe be se kwachima ire bia. Me do Eastern region now, I just tune it to Abozik FM. You get a music, you get the news, you get confirmation and the constituency.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Ejumaye.
Let us pray. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
Wamina Montana, from Ghana, Obabo Numpama, Weni Bajama, sorry na Mantina, I go die, and I dear Mantina, I go die, Wamina Montana, from Ghana, Obekan Sempama, Weni Bajama, sorry na Mantina. From Ghana, Obekan Sempama, when you bet sorry, no Mantina, I go die, and I dear Mantina, I go die, Bajama, Miss Sorina Mantina, I go down, and I dear Mantina, I go down.
Monday. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Suma kewala Kebo mojole fekwa Hawani etowo Keba shimene lolo Wonu cho Yesu bojelo Wamba o mase Boji wonu cho Yesu bojelo Wamba o mase Boji wonu cho Minkena muni yo wala Yesu ni yo wala Wamba o mase In your presence, I will dance, I will dance. In your presence, I will dance, I will dance. In your presence, I will dance, I will dance. I will dance, I will dance. I will dance, I will dance. In your presence, I will shout, I will shout, 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 shout. I will shout, I wanna shout, I wanna shout, I wanna shout.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. Montana. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Aradia
As you commence this great week, may the Lord Almighty become your defense and your salvation. May He strengthen your arms such that you will always defeat your enemies. You will always defeat your enemies. Your enemies in the name of Jesus Christ.
The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, a very, very good morning to each and everyone doing the listening. We are back once again on your radio. A great week to start, yeah? But God is always on our side. He's going to see you through whatever you plan to do this week. Radiba show so bibia wosusu bia obeye bia this week no na watching ye mu no Radiba show so na wa yama come nya gidie we radimu akotamfo no nkwanka wani magu ase aseye ye sru bo he basa wo share na watching ase die bibia be fine eye bi adwenya me dwen fa mawo anya dwembone na mom si de be siw ye. It's a Monday, 23rd November 2020. Akanaka krabi na yekoto aba omangana ye hia sumdie in concrete to your wejia omaka French the patro what the French ana
Brofi client tene papa bia. And it is a politician be the sikasha won samua. Sir Kwakumano, Yadi Mfata. The Vatrakacha said, na the firstborn away, the firstborn. The body can would no way for. On fast as Sikano, and then can't tell in Shannon Samuel. No on dear anymore. Send a bet me dear anymore, also be dear. And I'll tell you what, politician need be anywhere. Abemane ba akoye sadia. It is all this Cabra, manje. The passum Jema Yamai among Ghana since 1992. Democracy by Omaimu. Young Kun elections da. Sana Metrisha said 2020. Abayeho Amayan said Abaya Sum Diankwa. Yet me out traffic say in Yanumwa. About your media to the day. A Juma or a Juma. Baby or Bia. About your Yadi J Super. Minimum wonderful team. Yeah, crowd, yeah, ready. We are poised for hard work today. And if you count on us, sir, yeah, man with nothing but the best on your radio. We need to Kwamina Montana. My name is Able Team, Able Producers, DJ Zigby. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp messages. Oh, channel your po. And they are charging Kakrapa. Afe DJ Apuzo Otu champion no ono so tro even for money mu atore bia ya otro nsem fun kakra ade mam se men kan me yendai Badina kan huma ne so kompa nti adwuma wo adwuma so na abusuafo ye ne wadi ahia yi ye wuchie in the background no Lazy Okra Oma keka enyo ho wate wo de koso na bo adwuma yi adwuma na yeso ye wo ha se ye bema mo ni adwuma nti adwuma o adwuma na waje so se adwuma ye ekosi 11:50 ya de kase bottle bebo wa kwemu and you do a pomodin nsem baba ni benya Dr. Philip on the line. Oh, such a wonderful doctor, such a great man. And or say or the ever fa go no. I bet church a gun for go no. No say go no e won so so boni bia. Say be sure ho. Na you ho say ekọ ade bia be de ne dia che wo da che no. Unya yanke ba ho na otu aso prekope. Enti Dr. Philip say e be di nkoma afa go no. Gonorrhea ho. And then so me was send be me de to wanimu. Me patcho so what dedication be what dedication be opese wuchia obi. And then there asima me de to no so now so the wadwen kira banti ubetimi ahwe on Facebook live make us say me Facebook live pa abroche for shame Ghana for shame Benin for shame Togo for shame cuz baby South Africa you what but be crash just baby I will be able to make me live me live set make us come up all powered by DJ Zigby, what he has here. So on Facebook is Abuzage 93.3 FM. FM, no, and the capital, letters why come up. After YouTube, so yeah, Abuzage 93.3 FM -live. What's up, kind of on Twitter, so Abuzage 93.3 FM. FM, I can see. So those on Facebook. I'm a joining feed, more like your page. Now more share. Like our page and share. And also don't forget to leave your comments there. Because may I justice. So WhatsApp number between us a number between me the message for Sudia Bremie on 0594 841044 0594 841044. try me banana me the motivational message bro why but I no pay be this on who you pa yeah me very sorry me buy senka me di kan kra bi so say no wapomu kra at say wapomu to say but me this say nyankopɔ ma de pa achi enku ade ho ye na me sanso ogidie say and the adwuma wan wadui nyankopɔn bepagya ne sapa ma bibia wo ye bia atumi akoso de ama pa nti hold on me bana fe me the motivational message for today me the abropa
Shouting me, shouting me. There's something walking me, or head me, or kaya we, or tia we, a chekuni for, or yesu, or bosamsro yesu dino.
Check with your time, 17 minutes after 10 on your radio. Jesus will take fire cut. Menya unsa be for swe. Menya unsa bon samswe. Menya unsa to me won. Meboni dinda. Odem. Meboni dinda. Aba. Meboni dinda. Haba. Menya unsa to me won. Meboni dinda. Yonkwa. Machani mo. Machani muda. Menya unsa be for swe. Ni mwana mebo. Ni mwana mebo. Ni mwana mebo. Menya unsa be for swe. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Fanasa Kasima Vitama. Anuan Yabanum Anuan Yabanum. Then you was a one deal one media. A year Gianidi and no one Yabanum. I try your vitamin banana, vitamin choco, and I face strawberry. If I try Jody, choose your choice right now. Now, guna. Yes. I know people, Bobby. If I tell you are good to go, okay? I bet you know Sakusi sir. If you have to offer for no pay more duka crap, I know your lunch. No, so what I say. Stop a perfect. Baby, I'll be a talk. Why, baby. And if I hobo Vital Moxie, I don't know about Yamima, Bibia, Koyama, Wabrabum, Sansura, Sawono, no Vital Mocha. A Pomodian Casana Albania. Why, yes, if I try and some of the top no so I bet me they will comment about my king candy amount is say Juma why then and saying so what they are saying to other times Juma say ya ba ya me Bobby be way but I na nipa nshada antia here papa I'm fan say bia ya bone keke and ya ye ne keke tie ne ye me be kan asem bi e de asoso de amawo and asem like ye be di hu nkomo pa no ti we me ba
Ejuma ne bienya no mo gro ho nsente ejuma ne o die ejuma pi obi ebenya bia wan so mi ni flu nsan fan shaban
ba cho so nim se ejuma ne ho ejuma ho odem pa dunya bia no so ye okrom twetwe pa but man we ejuma ho ye din ma no pa just what applications are adwuma bi enu a just adwuma ko bi enu e frɛ no afei wa paba ba adwuma ba ko bi frɛ no abra na wa paba no nya phone call say bra interview why na ye hwɛ say who qualify na just bibia de na akwan mu enti man yi ko interview no na men cha de o pass ye fa na adwuma mu enti ni ama ne time and day or de be share adwuma ase na ebra ye man no time and day or de be share adwuma ase no ade baba chi nti na omo frɛ no ne boss frɛ no say oh okay you can say bra Monday be say 12 there be member 12 answer wo de bra anopa be say 6 directors ne baba nti na ke de wachi omo preko koso betu kwan ye be say ke de uchi omo preko pa nti bra no pa no why bra no pa no na ye mfa won hyaase na tama boss ne frɛ papa yi na just oni around no she washroom and na yiri ko fa phone call no ko fa ye na yiri receive call na your ba and na yiri na nya botre kro no di oba na tam say moyem ho nan say slave queen fo and nkofo krum kwa na motata mo ho na be fa nkwa asem so okọ anopo tututu from ikwan dey sabi mami and our sister wugina homa no so no anopo tututu ye from ikun sabi wunnim nyansa na metranimo da ena oyiri ye mami boss yi a wafa ni kun adwuma mu foforo yi oyi ne poto ni kun fi wash mu ba no bi say na call ben na unya ye na dede nkwa na oye no o se call ben wa call me nya o girlfriends na efrefre o girlfriends no be ma ke kama adwun a kire omo onko fa phone no hwe girlfriend ko ofre ye patro na dwuma foforo wonya no ne boss na nkasa no oba no na ofe no a change time na man keko patro ne yiri edidi na temu enti oye se ofre ne boss ne back ofre ne boss ne back boss ne picky yes o picky no cause hey I no pay the already I am your phone so ni o se me yes slay queen ma me ya come yi bremu me madani slay queen fa wo mo na wo to you did my temper to in fact yes I me for watch us a time ne bra no pay na me fa un champion fu bi ansa na de oyira ye nti no me pa cho adwuma no eye ye mfensie ya me mfa obi why enya nto a enya ntua me mfa obi to the mains member ho kra abranti na dwuma bonesa na yire wanya botre na bi sese patro ne hwan no na dwuma na abono patro ne abranti na ade na de be ye oyire obe ne dan be patro test problem sisi ya why wo Facebook a drop no comment making can dia ma wo patro mo a tie me sisi ya no WhatsApp na person de ba fabra SMS nso a normal message fabra on 0594 841044 0594 841044 the patch of our message ne brother making come from my wife a na a branch and onion is you know she said adwuma bono adwuma nso ni ho nowadays all right abrasto me fa motivational message for today me fam bro na fe and to us right here on a Juma on a Bozig 93.3 FM, the best in the east. My name is Kwame Montana. Not just yeah the motivational message bro right about now. I need to ever call. Nina called us, Famin Kandada.
Shaban.
Alright, Tabusian for Young Koya Nimu Wasukusuti 93.3. And motivational message, you know, young bonnet talk a cry now for Young Koya Yancha cry. If I said me show Crono pay catcher was Abrabono a yet day and Yamreda. Give a catcher Abrabom be or bois. A yet dimper, but perseverance. Say what talk so na udin kunimua and no chese. Makun unkuding. Abrabona a ya sometimes a yet dimper. What the Taria now why? But I know soon just Jai Paba. And they are Jordan Jina Mission Crown saying. Maybe I was a Juma Fufrobia, and Wakofani may be a war tongue, and no matter they be a and you may be a wood there. And Koye, what one. I say, Uhusuye. I say, what application per Jumano, what tra. I say, what publish the moon throw crabby. What is it, Mafufrobia, Papa? Womb fee. Because what your cry, just what your crying for a walk. But now listen, G. Perseverance has a sure reward because all things are difficult before they become easy. Perseverance has a sure reward because all things are difficult before they become so easy. So keep pushing until you make it. No pain, no gain. If you continue to persevere your dream, no matter what comes your way, I have no doubt in my mind that you will be successful. And ultimately, I will say, what did you be? Say enkoye, say wunhuso, say ayedin, adibia yedin. Na ukra ebre mu ayedin no a, ukrom say eden so my. Uba ye. Yanto ade so still. Wo gidi say one day. Nkofo be hu say asomasi sa anyoma we no ton o. Afa yankɔ ho nkɔtɔ sa anyema no. Ifiti ase ne ba yedin. Ba so ukra ugidi mu ye pa de a. Ekɔ awieye no. Ben se ba ye memre. Afa wo mpre biem. Umfo so hu biem. And the first show trim say ifiti ase de edin. Eya sa wo kɔ gym a. Baby a training ye ho no a. Yeah, most of the times no baby bebre we be kɔne atro abo say no pain no gain. No pain. Say one thing ya no a unya emfaso ko na wo hwehwɛ no a. Nti abrabo mu no pain no gain. No pain no gain. Say one bra unya. Nti minimum dream say what minimum vision. Minimum needs to adin hunu. Say embe mu a. Ana wakwa still intimi mbe mu a. It doesn't mean say fatu ho. Keep pushing. Keep on pushing. If we say Emre Baba ɛbɛyɛ nkunimdie di ama wɔn ti die bi ama yɛn gye mu yɛnkɔ so na yɛnyɛ na ɛbɛyɛ yie nyagye pa. Thank you very much. A very good morning to who I will cheer me right about now. Any DJ Zigby alongside DJ Apuzo Otu Champon and they chase you baby I will cheer you be a higher boss 93.3 FM. Check with your time 31 minutes after 10. Na trust yegusu ayekoye ni mo. Anti me twen wo comment no say ebeba na afei makenkan am so hu and story about ye no so wo hu anti no me twen say like ebeba na makenkan am right here on that Boys again 93.3 FM. Just call job for Sue. Oh handsome. It's a Monday. Have a blessed day.
Kwame na Montana.
No challenger. Radio Papa. Thank you.
Kwame na Montana.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
paper, my water go. My water yo.
Monday. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Kwame na Montana. Kwame na Montana.
Just about 14 days. Not yet Kotwaba. I cut 21 days. 14 days I can't just yet acquire him cockron. Yet prepare Hona, yet aquatuaba. Sape pepe. And get you welcome. All right, so for message in the making come from my way. So many wedding come off a branch a beer. A Juma, you want to walk in your Juma. Na adwuma no be hyase na ne boss aye den afra na no pa na yiri afa phone no wodi di ne boss atem say ne boss no yes slave queen anopo fro bi ku aye de ni ken onye slave queen oye ni kun boss fofra wanya no adwuma mu o nti enam so atemdidi odidi maami abrante na adwuma abo no nti e bo ne sa no a wo ye bema fa ne sa wo ye bema wo ye bema na fa so ye okunu no a Diana Okunu husband Obeye. For message in the 0594 84 10 44 0594 84 10 44. Not making come from our Dr. Philip Ebetchun Komo once Jumei about radio so ye percent radio ye meaningful ye nyamfa so ewo so come up say what ya sia nti no ye ne Dr. Ebetchun Komo afa ye niema bi a ye ba ba ye anase okay nti ye ne Dr. Ebetchun Komo on the mid-morning show afa yade bi ho yade ni din wato no say e gono de obi anim nti me ba sisi ane ne do ka twetwe nkoma Staying alive. You so be a tingwemu. Nti ye hwe apomodimu ye. Afei abusia ni baje obibia betumi akona adwuma so aba. Amino ka so yare na gono achewa. Odi gono no so bad pa. Me bi nchibe da mum de minkai dabi. Apuzo ne wanya gono pay. Apuzo se wanya amentia se wanya anadwo se wanya bi Caroline se wanya bi ebe se obafi ape no nya ebe ono so bad se wanya bi wanya pay. Alright, jump for now, sir. My former so ya day staying alive and they bro up with the Soldier Capsules and the Garlic Plus, the Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic for the day Abajaman. So that's it. National so drugstore Bia Becobia Benya Biato. Nachi National in so say Soldier Capsules, no, and my wage now now so Bema over Bajuma Pa. Bema, oh Bajuma, I won't pass. Oh boy, Juma won't pass up. So we now Soldier Capsules in Libya, a beboapa. Bema, why am I one pem afraid nothing can you ho? Bema, what thinking we're very bad. if it's all bad, yes, you know, and also you will see it who are you, or boss of pada, baby, I'm with you, baby. I say, you dear, you're Wajuma. I think, can you walk? I be see that young Wajuma. And yeah, I just a Winya soldier capsules. Winya soldier capsules, dear, you are good to go, Bema. Tomorrow, son can be dressed to be a more. But not in Capa. I forgot today, we better the pa. I feel Gallic Plus also. What you do more for Sunny? A bonny pediana pa. Stroke and shoulder. So, who you'll be on stroke but shoulder. And your Yama Sanka Gallic Plus. Oh, boy, I'm answering them here. The piano Mojani here, Juma, Rawa Jimu, round team, ne Rawa Kumemo, ne Costrona Buff from Nanasina. I just a Gallic Plus in a bedroom. Mama Diana Fred, more moving to the door, one more pair in Shemubi, 0243 98 39 06, 0243 98 39 06, and 0261 61 18 98. And some for now, Summer Trash Store Company Limited. Roofing sheet up, papa, the good dance, a yafe body. Obia ni Morgana Cromwa. A battle roofing sheet, a papa, dear, a Trash Store Company Limited. Umutra Power Castle, Malam Quantum Pono, so my 11 cemetery, or Mudin Share anymore, Castle ECG, or Mudin Share anymore, or Jarif after Tipa Junction, Sa Ebe Como. I feel do the work on so you be Sasabi, and Sabacom. I'm the Color Supreme +1, and no, your mom 20 years warranty. Not just a we added an alcohol. Kotobi, Nababo, Monsieur Tar, you, and from afar, a son pada. I'm putting him what ding. Trust your roofing sheet, and what dimper. And T Bomodiana from 10303 96 74 00 0303 96 74 00. Ufranwa bo abozege Eddie Bunsa Yamau discount near Tesopa. I feel young call line so not any Dr. Philip and Chim come on for good no real. Sammy Fenchaka see my taxi driver. Soldier face. With your very good Morgan. Right, young Kwamanos near Dr. Philip and Jochen Dog. Good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Yamiadum na Oswe.
Yamiadum.
Okay. Yeah, sounds like she have been pay. Yeah, then Yamiase. Say, or the Aku weekend and Abba come up. Dog, and once you have a church come off go no real. Sir, Yadiani Ghana for do na nim say go no and then yadia year can now dog and then say you breaking it down e dey call for mo bia tias here sa yadia go no e yadia de yenya wan bibi ankoka papa enje trade enti yenya wan na ehun susu aso bone no ete sen enti dog anopa die ye fra wanya bone ye ka say gonorrhea ade.
Yo, Michia, what you na say yeka gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is one of the sexually transmitted infections. And as gonorrhea is yaribia yenya through Emma any emema ekite hudiemu. Emma any mema ekute hudiemu. Apart from Emma any mema ekita hudiemu no, obi any who menya gonorrhea.
Not just yenya wondem.
Yenya wondemo. Na gonorrhea ankasa ye yaribia eye bacteria bi ena cause sa gonorrhea no. Na that bacteria no ye friend no Neisseria gonorrhea. Neisseria gonorrhea. And the causes are gonorrhea yare ankasa no. Na de dia me di kan ye no. Ansa na wobenya sa gonorrhea yi no. Ejise wenya every empem agrodie mu. Say bia oba owo bi. Anase obema owo bi. Na oni ni hia ida say mwehia say bia moye normal ehiemu ana ye no. Anase moye oral sex no. Anase enumu ni enumu de no.
Nase kissing no anase
kissing no and afen say bia obema udi wano ebebo oba na se na na oba no so de na no bebo da kwan mienu we pe na gonorrhea no efa so di ba ni bedue ne mo
doc say na yendi nkomo a kamini se gono no yetiminya o kisi mu
yetiminya pa
okay so now kasa yendam ba ko wo no ne ba ko hia na je se odi amano na sa ba ko na hemfa no konya fie de ade banse no konya ye
de dia ye kan ye se eye bacteria infection no indi sa bacteria we mu ye emua we bi a se untumi endi wo hu ni as oba anase obema ye wo sa bacteria si a ebitumi nam enframemu ebitumi kra efomi enam yeni ani diemu ebi krampo etumi efa like say bia yemfa na say bia enframemu se dia meka ye no enframemu yeni ani diemu it is a bacteria we nya kwan ko woni pedue no mu a afi na afi ni pedua no eba bema that bacteria we ebenyi in a way say bia one fa na chiwade enka na that bacteria we ebenyi the bacteria ni nyi wo oba ne mu na fe oba no ebenya sa gonorrhea yi na wo bema no ne ni kohia ana se nyi wo bema ne mu na obema ne benya sa yare na wo oba no oni ni kohia na wo nso so obetumi enya sa yare ne bi
okay alright
na adiba ko wo gonorrhea hu ni se yare bi in fact hu ye ahomutin pa one hwe hu yi e wo sa gonorrhea hu a in fact e wo effect bebre I di benefit anymore. That bacteria we is about we need to no etumi nanti ko baby a ebetumi nanti aba wakoma ho na ama akoma yare ayesa gonorrhea bacteria we after that gonorrhea bacteria we so ye bacteria bi a ebetumi ananti we need to no mu nyina na demo a nanti we need to no mu no demo ana ejeja ne janan anase ni nsuo bi wo mu nsuo ni bi ba wo joint a ebetumi ama wo joint ayewo ya de bi ba wo sisi mu a in fact be bia sa bacteria no hu nsuo be ko wo ni pedue no mu bia no wo be wo se afa wo se ate uti yaw e wo ho no na se omame e wo sa gonorrhea yi bi na one treaty no dia wo abofra ebetumi fra abofra nani enum no yes some facts about gonorrhea yi ana se so oba wo sa gonorrhea yi ana obema wo sa gonorrhea yi na one treaty a in fact I want nkasa no into me and makra
wait ne assembly abetiye na mse ka baby sa opa na wa dey wa chiremu na se wo bi na aba why say what treaty bi as e ko bi we yiwani but e bia na hwehwe ho wan hwe yi a wa wuo mu no ebe ye din oba ne be ma
no kre ebe din pa ebe after the bacteria we eba oni pedue no mu wi a ɛwɔ asɔnsodie bi a ɛbɛdɛn di wɔ wo nipadua no mu anaa ɛwɔ sign ne symptoms bi a ɛbɛdɛn di wɔ wo nipadua no mu ntɛno bi na mepɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ saa sign no sɛne bɛyɛ a wotie yɛn na wostate hu saa nneɛma no wɔ wo mu a wobɛhu sɛ saa bacteria yi bi na ɛba wo nipadua no mu
saa mepatɔ yɛnkɔ
ya ɛdi kan sɛ woyɛ ɔbaa anaasɛ ɔbɛrima na sɛbi wodwo nsɔ na afei wostate sɛ woti yaw ɛwɔ wase anaasɛ wo bɛrima mu a ɛno nso ɛbɛtumi ayɛ saa sign of saa gonorrhea anaa yarewie a yɛka ho asɛm nti sɛ wodwo nsɔ na wo bɛrima mu hyehyew anaasɛ wahyehyew in fact dwo nsɔ no kampo no ɛba supi because sɛ ɛba bebree a ɛbɛyɛ wo yɛato ma nti no wobu no tɔɔtotɔɔta mpakyɛw saa gonorrhea bacteria yi ɛbɔ wo nipadua no mu a ɛtumi ɛkɔ so saa adeɛ
nti na kyɛ sɛ wani kura first one abɔ so yɛ the most common
ɛyɛ the most common one a ɛmmerɛ pii no bebree na ɛtae ho afei sɛ bacteria wei ɛba wo nipadua no mu a woyɛ ɔbaa a ɛtumi ma wonya unpleasant discharge ne sɛ ebi a sɛbi wohu sɛ nsuo tumi egu anaasɛ nsuo bi tumi efiri wase na sɛbi saa nsuo no nso no wobɛhu sɛ ɛyɛ nsuo bi a asɛ nka wom na afei ɛsan so keka nti no sɛ ɛka wɔ mu no at the same time no ɛkeka wo nti sɛ bia no ɔbaa no bɛhu sɛ ɔsɛ ɔkɔ washroom afei sɛ woyɛ bɛrima a wo so ɛtumi ma nsuo no bi gu na mmarima no mmerɛ pii no nsuo no egu wɔn wɔ ɛberɛ a sɛbi ɔkɔgya ne nan nti ɔkɔduru gya nan so na ɔkye mu a wobɛhu sɛ na nsuo no efiri ne bɛrima mu epie na nsuo no efiri ne bɛrima mu epie ɔbaa anaa mmarima no nyinaa no ɛtumi ma wonya discharge afei nso no sɛ wowɔ saa gonorrhea yi bi ɔbaa anaasɛ ɔbarima ade baako a ɛtae ma ne yɛw anaasɛ ɛtae dɛn de wɔ nipadua no mu ne sɛ painful sexual intercourse ɔbaa no ɔne barima no hyia a wobɛhu sɛ ɔbɛte yaw nti ɔbaa bi wɔ hɔ ɔsɛ ne deɛ mempɛ sex because me enjoy sex infa sex a yɛka nka menni ɔdɛw bi a ɛwɔ in fact saa gonorrhea bacteria yɛba wo nipadua no mu a no matter how ana no matter what ɔbɛrima no ɛbɛyɛ ama wo ɛwɔ mpam agodie mu no ɛnyɛ wo dɛ ne nyinaa bɛyɛ wo ya wobɛwie nso no wobɛhu sɛ na woti ya wo wayɛ ase wase nyinaa yɛ wo ya wase nyinaa hyehyɛ wo ne nyinaa yɛ saa gonorrhea bacteria wei
na sɛ sɛ wonte dɛ wɔ mpam nti woku anaa woyere kora ba ho a na wotwetwe wo ho
na woyam hyehyew afei nso no ɔbɛrima no sɛ saa gonorrhea yɛba wo ho na wo nso so wo ne ɔbaa ɛɛsi ha wo nso so no ɛbɛtumi aba ne sɛ wo ho sane wo no na afei na ɛyɛ wo ya obi ho ɛsane no koraa a ɔtumi so obi wɔ hɔ a ne ho ɛsane no no na ɔsu
na nka ade ne deɛ nyame yɛ ne sɛ ho sane ana te sɛ anigye lie
deɛ na sɛ wɔ sɛ ɛyɛ wo dɛ no
ba wo deɛ deɛ wobɛsu
na wosu mahu bebree
dɔk ɔhu bebree wa ho
menua mahu bebree ɛyɛ as a result of saa gonorrhea bacteria yi afei sɛ ɔbaa anaa bɛrima no wɔ gonorrhea na wone ne ɛba abɛhyia na woyɛ bɛrima wosaa di wo tɛkyerɛma adi agorɔ ɛwɔ ɔbaa no ase a ɛbɛtumi ama woanya biribi sɛ throat cancer anaasɛ mmeremukuro a ɛbɛyɛ kuro kɛseɛ bi a ɛntumi ɛnwu
na kyɛ sɛ mmarima no ɔmo wiwi no
mmarima no a
ɔmo wiwi
tɛkyerɛma ɛtaa kɔ mmaa ase no ɛno ɛbɛtumi ama woanya throat cancer sɛ woyɛ ɔbaa na wo nso so ɔbarima no wɔ bi na wone ne di agorɔ na wotae ɛyɛ yi na wotafetafe ne bɛrima no a ɛno nso no sɛ nsuo no bi adi kan kɔɔ mu na bacteria no bi wɔ mu a ɛno nso ɛbɛtumi ama woanya throat cancer na saa cancer no ɛtumi spreadi ɛfa wo mene mu nyinaa kɔ wo yam ne wo yam adeɛ nyinaa ɛyɛ very serious ɛyɛ very serious ɛna woyɛ bɛrima na saa gonorrhea bacteria woeba wo mu a yɛwɔ cells ɛne tissues nka saa cells ne tissues no ɛntumi mboa development ɛwɔ yɛn nipadua no mu yɛfa ne sɛ ebi a yɛn mmarima no ankasa no ɔbɛrima bi a yɛn mmarima no ɛyɛ cells ɛne tissues a ɛna nyankopɔn ɛde afɔmi yɛn bɛrima no sɛ woyɛ bɛrima na gonorrhea yi ba wo nipadua no mu na woanhwɛ ne yie a ɛkum natural cells ni natural tissues no the more na natural cells ni natural tissues ni ewu no ubose na obema no esote na obema no esote yeah
eno na ye omukasa obi timi kasa ne bema afon
no
nti so obi bema bia ne bema afon bia o complain bia no na se owogono ewo ne system mu
yeah gonorrhea bacteria and adi ba ko nso e gonorrhea bacteria we hu ne say that sign is symptoms that ya ken nyina no enyo obia no obetumi anya obi wo ka wo ni mu e ma na sign bia eno na adi bia ye hu so e wo ta gonorrhea ye hu
e ma wo sign
e ma na sign bia ba obi wan ni say na the bema no esote in fact eno na very dangerous no obeka so bia bo dia enye diabo gonorrhea bacteria yi etumi eyesa adie no and as gonorrhea yi dey aye kan ye no esan so cause infertility because that bacteria no the we obema na oni oba ehia na ohunsu akoro oba no mo ape na that bacteria so no omo ba be didi cells no nsu hunsu na akoro oba no mo anka betumi afome abofra no na fe na omo di na fe cells na ho di nyina no stem cells na ho di nyina no efrim in the NRP, you know, one more back and center her with fertility issues, you know, obey, you know, not a gonorrhea, obey, you know, that's a sexually transmitted disease. Sanity. It's gonorrhea, yeah, DBA, very serious. I say the way you bar and answer them, I will tie yao, I will bemo, and now you're bema, I will tie yao, I will show no more. I was someone who said a gonorrhea bacteria. And echo nipidino mu ana se gonorrhea bacteria bi na epese echo usise ne mu ebe mo usua no aye wo yan obi wo ho kwa uso ni sua na ni sua ye ne ya
uso ne sua mu a dog
sua mu a na
dabi ho no dabi to bo ase kakra ho no so se ono so mu ana so obi so mu a emu de na be ne ono so ne sua mu a
ono ga so mu a obeti pains
so ono be ma no eso ne sua mu a
obeti ya o
na so obi so somewhere
obi so somewhere ono so obeti ya eso mu no kan fo na nye se didi ndi o wo de obi hu na
light one
yeah minimum obi wo ho because of that gonorrhea bacteria ya aba ni sure no ma ni sure ya ni ye di bia no na ofrantuma debi ofrantuma because so said jeans brother you know on Nigeria e be chichichichi
na je se no then etwitwitwe himfa ne hwa no ho no
ne na ho ana se the more na etwitwe ni hwa no ho no the more na okin yaw afi e bedru baby no so wan hwe ni ye afi e go so oba na so be ma no utu so ana afi na muja wo
na do gana se gono ye na ya nye bete o
in fact enye yaribia e ha adwi yi pa yaribia ha adwi yi pa no wan afi uju so a na muja wo uju so na muja wo na wan say ba ko a esan so wo gono ne we hu ni se obo se obi be wo ba na abofra no mani ba ko ase gonorrhea bacteria itu ni didi eko akwa no ho a ebetumi amata emo wa no kura afra nani etino ye wo ne badada no na nani e wo program obi wo wa
ya wo wan
like abofra no
ya wo no na nani wo problem
ye wo no na nani wo problem bebre na ye da gonorrhea yi bebre na ye da sexually we enye se bia odi yankupo ho na ba ye dabi infection we are kan ho asemi na etumi ekoso daade no danade ana uye bema na gonorrhea bacteria yi ba oni pedue ni mu na one treat ni yi a menia entumi through ni pedue ni mu da na ebe wo ni pedue ni mu sama o bema no ebe fa ye kitik to ese happy dia ho ni embe mu biom
na mema ya wasemba
so wo obeka se wo na ni bema mu aka no twi ana so baby wo obeka so wo na si aka no twi
apuzo na ya otumi eka se ya na aka no dwe kakra ba me oka che me amenya doctor nti ebia normal bema normal but enye normal on
enye normal
na apuzo ese wo check
se wo bema mu ka o twi ana oba wa si ka o twi na enye normal na bacteria yi so to me ye adibiti say like ewo uti nti wo beti say bibi ni nam ho na jai asɛ bibi nenam hɔ na ɛgyae saa nso na ɔbɛrima no nso no wobɛti asɛ bibi nenam ɔbɛrima mu wogye wo nsa bɛyɛ yi a wosɛ ho hwee
ɛyɛ mmoa no anaa no mbɛrima no ɔmo winwi no
ɛyɛ mmoa no
dog ɛnɛ deɛ ɛnɛ yɛ Monday
ɛbuto baako ni sɛ woyɛ ɔbɛrima na wokɔ ɔbaa ho na ɔbaa no ɛyɛ wo yere a waware no a ɛwɔ sɛ ɛdɔɔso ɛwɔ kurom wɔ mene a ɛwɔ kurom paa ɛwɔ kurom wobɛtumi anya no sisi a nti sɛ nnipa no nyɛ wo yere a wone ne te a ɔnyɛ ɔbaa wone ne ti dan baako ano a wonim sɛ ebi a ɔnyɛ yi a ɛneɛ sɛ wogye nnipa no ndi a
da wase paa na dog wokɔ wodeɛ mabisa wokɔ hyewi ansa nti yɛmfa wɔkyiri akwan no ɛne wo contact nto dwa
nti no yɛwɔ Kasoa Liberia Camp yɛwɔ Kasoa Liberia Camp Petros Ofini Station akyi yɛ number no yɛ 0241 80 9493
mepa choko bi mu
0241 80 9493
okay dog before you go mamimbisa wo se eba ne sa no a mbema ne side no omo de ntoma na ebo mu na because eba ne sa no a omo hwa no eka omo nan ho a ɛyɛ omo ya eba ne sa na che se bibia gugu omo nan temu ana
ɛyɛ sɛ gugu ɛna se bacteria no edidi aba wo hwa mu nti no se ya no create ekuro okay intestines ni mu nyina yɛ ekuro nti ebi twitwi nan ho ana sɛ wahyɛ trouser bi na ɛfa trouser no ho ana sɛ etwitwi trouser no twitwi wo hwa no ho a
okay
obo sɛ bɛyɛ wo ya obi wɔ kra ɔnam kra na ne nan yenu no ɛka ne hwa bɔ mu sɛ jabo so bɛka mu ɛyɛ no ti pain ni nyina yɛ da bacteria because
dog enkobia ye besia gains ntia na obi wɔ ha so 10 years me nyare 1 week no yare ɛtwɛsɛ asogefo wo video mu no ɔma yɛ mrɛ papa na betumi boostu asogefo no mu wɔ mu na agese wonya in boost herbal mixture your number 1 in boost or your number 1 immune booster your number 1 immune booster ma asogefo no ekenti omo ho ejina brand twɛn yade obeba ma bonne galaway sawari asia to ba ko betumi police ni netro but mo jana friend 0246 2084 96 0246 2018 Afreme bana making count messages at the amawo right here on Jumawo Juma.
Na ne yebeka nyankopa asema kire nipa no brofo sam sofu begina pupete nim ya sante bema sofu ya kan ni church members nyina ye twi akanfo and today I told you the blood of prophet God will touch you. They can receive your blessing. Let him tell you something. The man of God knows it. And make up for somewhere in Antimulafo. Edrusi kasam dia enhye mu ne ekoya no mo eka mo 40 ne mo 30 mo 100 mo de na mo tuatua se mo tuatua na suki kwa ye babobodi ene sofo begina pupete nim no obusa church members me preacher na asa me hyenkom na church members no hyenkom no ma mo tebulafo no sofo prophesy na maya no wadi pro na wo mo pro na sofo da ye ni satisfy Chinese for last killer we nya ntokwa wani etofo no se jack ne mafia no kokon baba wa o boyfriend she be miensa mutumi bura dwaman ma dwaman hwe se efi na me bompa ye se dwaman ti awrade wo ma weekend wo mena valentine because awon kofobia wo se obechi won fisika baba na wo si valentine ase na ye bo ya no muntie blefo na wo tro ko se double na se de awrade besia pu asum no.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Kwame Montana.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
From a casa set up on the people.
Jimmy. Oh, yeah, yeah, maybe Jimmy. Oh, the Macumba Chaskele. Oh, yeah, remember you not any. Some person on me, remember. Oh, been to the full mommy, yeah. Does everything can say when he bounce and I get through. Oh, be Jimmy, my west way. Be the crocro, Benjamin. Oh, Benjamin, when you way. Oh, didn't see Benjamin. Eh, ran a one casaman can be the crocro, Benjamin. Hey, one can't to mommy dray. Oh, didn't see Benjamin. Oh, be Benjamin, my west way. Be the crocro, Benjamin. Oh, Benjamin, when you way. Oh, didn't see Benjamin. Eh, ran a one casaman can be the crocro, Benjamin. Hey, one can't to mommy dray. Oh, didn't see Benjamin. Oh, Doctor Sika Kakura, America Caribbean in my here. Nasa wuni bina wonya mrema mimpwa. Ni beji wate. Odominya chali wate. Inti mame ninje wate. Iye bibia kawate. Sebu mpodo mejayo. Sebu jai me sebu suma. Siyo bibe fami ya go baby. Itu bema upia be fami. Odo sebu mpemi ya jai me. Mi huwa mane. Makuma show don't say mama. Una munye genti me nesu so mi mu. Se wuja mi se kwenti fia. Si drenyi mrena mami kwa mi da. Se mi so mu na tujimu huwa. Enye se wara o wara mi de. Obi beji mi ma wesu e. Obi di akroko beji mi. Obeji mi mu weni ewe. Odi ni sika beji mi. Rena wanka se manka. Obi di akroko beji mi.
Brothers, mama uti ya woso.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Kwame na Montana. Kwame na Montana.
Madonna mama enye kama manin soja we need to have a sense from makuma pila makuma yesa me with the party man na me 419
Many as painting and the matrimonial tinted some veins. Some say, dear, won't think what your bed, dear, many common sense. Some ya pass out, I sure don't Jimmy move your chair, false pretense. Timmy who's here, you may you bunny and my come and walk to make you many a contain. Or don't miss in the pain, you do rough road and you can say. Missing the pain, can you pay blow, mama drink and while you jump 10. But told me down with you as the amount cash and the dean, I'm a pet in Madame Fontaine. Man, cast oh, brass to one can we see a bronze sign. Me, dada ba, dada na. No boy, dada no, dada ma. Let's see, come, mama, and you dada ma. Yo, be can not one and you gonna ma. The motel will run a show a kala hala. Pama kuma to a jana now, walla. Me don't come, I said the malam don the sala. Me give me dala, name a kuma bet your other color. So you'll be free, so move a fia. They won't want to summon and I know so. Just don't be saying, yeah, me 4 and 9.
All right, 26 minutes after 11. It says the time here on a Juma pause again 93.3 FM. Pacha will show Facebook a very good morning to you. At to say make us a for message in the bra. A brother banana mouth can also watch the wadring on the mid-morning show. A branch ya when you Juma just a friend now over quite Jumum. Ube room for frokra. Not ne boss or bar friend or not ne Yuriko fan or patutu or far corner no patutu. No odi the boss not him. Afe in crowd or tea and he say, ah, sir, me from no pamaka so much. I feel crown when you're Juma for fro. I me from me boss, me from I can't so much. We you fire, we did my tempo to say, me no chimpna, me a slave queen, me no chimpna. Atem the dear we read dimintino. Mean to me, no one year Juma beam. A Juma Suni ho, see a brand in a Juma bono. Anona me be so, sir, ain't a one war bar no. Dear, why you knew? Ain't it Bama? A dinner by your a dinner by your for chop money. You see, when you're Juma and you see you chop money. A few bills, supersident tria. A collar school fees, supersident tria. A few money now, Bama a goose. What's it down here? Well, you didn't any and swadium body. Emma is here, our coffers, what you mabo. Into winning Berman at dinner by you. For a message in the mommy is here on 0594 841044 0594 841044. Which me an SMS, normal message, and now on WhatsApp. Namin can come from up. All right, Mr. All for you in the background. Oto, Blackface. Way back, way back. A very good morning to you, Blackface. Because you come out Robert to say you chopper a famous red or it is the Lord Kwaku Fitter is the Muslim from Fitter Phobia. You're from a mechanic auto mechanic for Kwaku Fitter me chopper one wife for sheer Labi Bauer, anyone banina, you change him up. Jimmy, I don't money pen 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 Jimmy.
Oh, my commandant wife, why wanna come destroy my life? Oh, my commandant wife, why wanna come destroy my life? Every day is fighting the forcing, every day is forcing the fighting, every day is fighting the forcing, every day is forcing the fighting. Give me a gun. Fly away. Give me a gun. Run away. Give me a gun.
Don't try, never let me go crazy. It's my life, honey, don't drive crazy. It's my life, honey, don't drive crazy. La coca Sachira Chroma, Sachira Chroma,
Okay, a fay making count messages can come from our. We say you're from Kwame in Sion. I will divorce her cry. Also, Nidia, over January in 10. When you free Stephanie Burns. I'll say I will forgive her. Say hi to Sister Ama across. And as Stephanie Burns, a free across and the other. Aye, Sagana, we are band here. What about your who can do my bono and a Muzunti? It is Stephanie son, what about you? When you free Elizabeth Gazy on Facebook, I said, wow. That was an uncalled for on her behalf. Sad, maybe your husband. Auntie Elizabeth Gazy on Facebook, Noriaba. When so Eric Amankwa watching you live from Premai Amampofo. Esikuma Odobin Brakwa District. Kwamina, this is Nana God's way inside Breman. Bro, you are doing a great work for Mother Ghana. Keep it up. Keep the fire burning. And also the audio after a free night, senior free night from Evans Akima Bwabu Zongo. Greetings to all workers in Kinap Lodge Hotel, Akim Asani, especially Ogidi Go, and my lovely wife Obapa Mabel, my mom Juliana Dede.
Love me too. Oh my shawty, don't change your style. Oh my baby, be like that. Oh my shawty, don't change your style. Oh my baby, be like that. Oh my shawty, don't change your style. Oh my baby, be like that. Oh my shawty, don't change your style. Oh my baby, be like that. What do you see, just so have a blessing. All of you, we see your name, baby. I can't let him send me a natural. My mama dream me na
Free Ebenezer Kwaku on Facebook, and he says Abuzagi FM all the way, more fire. I'm watching you from Russia. Also, I'll share free Russia. I want him. What do you want? Last time I called Paja, and to me and do one, I make us go do 1 month, 2 weeks, and I'm back. I want Russia, Papa. As I make a soldier, Mediana. After Ajua Roberta, Mrs. OKFM. Good morning, team Abuz again. Good morning. Elizabeth Gazy Asamba Bim. It's a brilliant show. Bratty. I'm on free mood, so I will just comment. Jesus loves us all. So I no mood, no woman, come on, into you on there. Walanyo Akwatia, I say good morning. And also do the buy. After you back cost sports, who now afraid of Poku the Great. At the moon, somebody I bring a bonnet to my pa. After you back, yeah, in Sabano, my hair she been Kumoga crack. As you bear sports in Jasa Manon Dania sports cassa. Say what I say. Okay, Timami call the great Opoku channel for a fast sports who bro. Opoku Poku.
Kwame Namuntana
from Ghana. Opoku Poku.
Kwame Namuntana.
And that's how I show Metiasi. Ubi also Tiasi.
Kwame Nansa na mekono mi okura mi pese da ko bomb pa mama na de meko ho. Iraq.
O pese ko Iraq.
Mi pese mi ko suya se na e bomb.
O pese ko suya se de e bomb Iraq. Enti me na me bomb pa se.
O bomb pa mama na Eradi ntimi mpa ebo na
wo ntimi mbo wangasa wo mpa ya.
Oh, ba me mpa ebo na me mo se me ko Iraq me wo fa mpa ebo na be hye Iraq mami.
Okay.
Why? Because we push your bomb.
2020 away on. Okay, sports.
Come now. Sports who we dey me body tell ni makọ. Na play bia ba bontin say sex ehu hia. E say we player, e say utimi ye sex. E boa oni padua no ma utimi bobo. Argentina full player fe no Batistuta. Yes, was say
all-time player Batistuta.
Was so no bobo no. Ade be chen no akobobo a otisi ne yere so. Na sade no etimi eye no ho adwuma mo jam park no so. Yakopon.
Nti o say footballer bia
o say footballer
boy ese o yes sex.
So your sex.
Wona o yiri hiem.
Ese o no yiri hiem.
Na woni yiri nso
o say oni yi hia kope girlfriend bi na ne nye.
Akoye fumpa. Won ware no no.
Ah na so wo ye nso a mo ba no mo ntan wo so. Ma wo nko tena no so.
What is your friend say Batistuta na say daddy. As maka do. Maka too much. Batistuta. Yes. No, you player pa.
No, 90s. Yes, 90s. No, ne Ariel Tegamo.
Yes.
Argentina for squad and Saviola mo.
Those times, no na Zidane Bobo Italy. And now Real Madrid coach.
Yes.
No Bobo Italy.
Yes.
And Ronaldo mo. Oh, na me
I mean, only Bobo.
Meaning Bobo na me
I mean, only Bobo papa because
now you were Juventus. Zidane no Juventus.
Thank you.
Oh yes. Oh, why not?
Oh, Pamela, young kind of mantem mo bo mid morning so far wo na wu kambo mo asempa.
Oh sir. Oh me share down pon kan ye.
Oh kapa. Because they were who 90 since our squad we no unim bo mu pa. It was say no mo ba no mo ntra wo be ma no so. No nye. Na de chi no ya u gira ball no u gira park no so we say yes u kuta ball ni kwa o say kwani defender.
It's not my nice striker.
It is strikers amu akembota ni mpatemu ano. Seni amatie no ma de beche mo akobobo a mo ma mo girlfriend and massage mo na mu Japan no so a mo be she 5 goals. Why?
And so you German level.
Oh you German.
Who promote German?
Oh there be say wo no wo yira.
Oh you there. No you not.
So be wo massage how won wale but oni ni girlfriend at them. Some crofo no so ye.
Ayo.
Be mo amu wale na mo amu ni yira amu ni girlfriend no den ka say mo nkofa bi won kwase.
Why are the plan? The Batistuta say we a player there.
Yes.
As na ba ko board.
Yes.
O baby massage. That was sexy.
Sexy.
But that's it.
I
appeal to somebody.
Oh my baby be like that. Oh my shawty don't change your style. Oh my baby be like that. Oh my shawty don't change your style. Oh my baby be like that. Oh my shawty don't change your style. Oh my baby be like that. What's the fire? What's the fire? What's the fire? Well, I've been around the world and I found the girl I want, and I ain't gonna give her up. Ooh yeah.
Okay, so young fan say Bimpoma Plaza Hotel. Bimpoma Plaza Hotel. Me pacho me no ka say latest hotel about work out down say me pacho bibia wo ho. Bibia wo ho. Dan no dem really cool because air condition wo more free TV wo more. Me pacho wo pe bibia aye meetings bia conference bia ya wo room kese pa board room kese pa. I bet me afani patati. Security there ya bon ho bypass. So wa be park your car. So we sike bia ba hotel ho. Na akromfo ewura ho da bi da. Bimpoma Plaza security ya tie. Me no ka say adan bia woni room. Adan bia woni room. Adan bia ewo ne kitchen. Yeah. Adan bia your room dada. It's in the room. Adan bia woni kitchen. That's right. Enti bomodian for ni chemu Church of Pentecost in Quantenum branch. MTTU 200 meters. That one who bomodian from on 0249 85 53 96 0249 85 53 96. Me patcho brown man so wona wo yira yo sa wa ma wo djuma bowo me patcho je na beye ade na beye Bet me up for 0201 94 44 85. 0201 94 44 85. And 0554 82 09 10. When you're Juma for Frau Quakoye, now boss Obano, you're Juma Nodano, or Frau and a person can be before Fro. And now you look for no winning hot. You 5 years, what did the mamma at them say? When I'm a chimpna, and I'm so mamma said, man, see it mobium, or no way. A dear Nabaye, Obama, so enough, you're going to. Oh, I lost to Fachame. And to bet me about one stuff, and I cheered the Obaka. Nah, Ghana Fonso at 0554 82 09 10. Hello, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
If I told you, maybe a free.
But your family Cobra Benega, because and you know,
yo, off a cobna. Somewhere dear, I know a temper. A dear now, Uber.
Dana, Mamma, Obana Pakin, Mapuni, Nikum. I'm a Jan, woman, I got to know Kakran as a Pamano. One cock, because open me and go, okay, Mamma, and you didn't attempt.
Okay. Let's without a penny. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
If I told you, maybe a free. Oh, what for done? If I just saw here, dear. Yo, but I saw a line in which 20 quantum crab in a okay, I think it's good. If I told what for done? Who are dear now by year?
Where is the and also not at the question that I was saying this is the eye. Because they are also going and I saw you been.
Into the Nasma Radu, the Nasma Radu. Okay, GBCBI and Kubim. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
If I told Jim Baby of Rufi. Montana from Ghana. What is here? We are a Boseke driver. MP3, somewhere would you say?
Oh, that's a very good job. When you know what did you be at? I said, well, you never know, but you some money number. So I say,
that's right.
Men know about Ramin Jow.
But some money number that.
Chop money there.
If you say, when you man walk on your scar, you chop money. Okay. But I saw her.
Obianem no video.
Obianem video. And Kobe, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
If I told you, baby, I'm free, brethren.
I'm for super original.
Oh, for super original. If I talk as a free. Okay, but Penny, young money, one can be a day.
Emma, I have for better for worse, dear.
Maintaining is, yo, also be maintaining Kobe. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
If I try one fair at to say,
if I try you now,
it's me when you power didn't be a fee.
Maybe I joined that or that Bruce.
Okay, me patra joa, obey a day.
Oh, Papa. Where the about myself, and I say, or no other papa, my nature, no other family. And now say, or the room forever and ever.
Obekuni Chrome forever and ever. Oh, Adua, Medasepa, your boss, watch your wedding. When you come by, yes, but watch your wedding channel. Medasepa. All right, so wait, sir, I will tell her to go and beg for her own sin so that she will learn from her mistakes. From Kofi Restart Akim or down also the Nediaba right here. After my main share, dear all bounds, so now main share. Also, good Morgan Montana. Nothing. Okay, my main far caller we now. Remember message. So, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
If I told Dean, baby, Afifi.
This is Abu. Maybe the suffer somewhat.
Suffer. Me patro asem we dey we suffer dey obey na dey.
Answer no bani yes no bano friends be man what saying. Ebia na e suban na ma bi obani so yes ah. What I say because ebia na be man ntisa nko obani nyesa. Na fe so no say be man so ntisa dia. Obani me no betra. But who be hu dia waye. sika bɛba sika mba wa bɛhu deɛ wayɛ nso a sika no ɛmba nti yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛtena sɛ akɔpem ta ma mɛsɛ nyɛ adwuma foforɔ ayɛ
sɔfo wa breaking it down paa
yeah
anything I Sophie me that's papa all right wait so good morning the Montana nothing is possible something okay I will do it because humans are born to encounter uncertainties and uncertainties. Okay, from Sami of Sami First Ventures opposite Aboabo Palace. Abushia, mami famu isimi fako. Okay. Looking at the time. Okay, last caller. Hello, good morning.
Oh, Kwame na ma ble.
Fachame. Line na so ya shit. Yambone tew. Ye de kasi abo tew ba. Okay, we didn't maybe afefi.
Me that Abubakar the grid of family little.
Okay, let's yanko.
Kwame na oni bibi. Mo ni mfache.
Minim fache pa.
Medase ene no an titia.
Medase, why ya de? What tell you checha medase pa unia. All right. Abushia de kasi abo tew eba wa kwa mu. Meeting the Kwame na Montana, my able producers.